He's trying to get it out of there safely.
It's probably hard though, there's stuff around it.
That's a big sucker.